Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use layers and labels in Google Maps to see exactly what you need on the map and hide what you don't. First, open Google Maps on your computer. In the bottom left corner, you'll see a box with different layer options. Click on it to expand the menu. Here, you can choose the main map style. Default gives you the standard view, while satellite shows real aerial imagery. The real power is in the layers. Click More to see all your options. You can overlay traffic conditions in real time, see public transit routes, or even toggle biking paths on and off. Now, for labels, these are the names of places, streets, and landmarks. To control them, go back to the Layer menu. You'll see an option for labels. You can choose a detailed view with all labels or a light view that keeps the map clean. On mobile, the process is similar. Tap the layers icon in the top right tit, looks like two stacked squares. From there, you can quickly switch between map details, transit info, and traffic data. You can combine these. For example, use the satellite view and turn on the traffic layer to see real-time congestion over real-world imagery, and that's it. By mixing and matching these layers and labels, you can create a map view that's perfectly tailored to your needs, whether you're navigating, exploring, or just planning your day. If you have a favorite layer combination, let me know what it is in the comments. See you in the next one.